All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, looks awesome. Now the wheels could use another fresh polish to really get them perfect, but overall they're in great condition. Tread looks good. Amazing. I don't see any issues here with the paint. You have a gash right there. PPF here on the door edge. The rest of that door looks amazing. Side mirrors look good. The rest of that looks nice. A couple rock chips right there. A couple more rock chips here. A really small scuff there. The rest of the bed's clean. Looking at this wheel, a couple small little markings there. No rash. Side of the bed's clean. You have a gash right there. The rest of that looks nice. That's clean. That looks good. Alright, let's start back here. So far that looks good. Little fling, not any gashes. I'm sure there's a couple little rock chips in that wheel well, but all of that looks good. Here on the wheel. Overall in great condition. That looks good. A couple light scuffs here. The rest of that door looks good. Lower side looks nice. Fender's clean. Some light markings right there. A couple light markings here. It's very subtle. So that looks good. Gashes there. You're going to have some small rock impacts here. Just a few. A couple small ones on the hood. Of course, I'm way too short to see up high. There's the rest of the hood. Looks really, really nice. This is with the truck completely lowered. Alright, looking at that panel, looks absolutely perfect. Carpets look good. That trim's nice and clean. Here on that seat, that looks amazing. Steering wheel's perfect. You do have a def light on. We need to top the fluid off, it looks like. All of this is absolutely perfect. Looks brand new in here. Looking at the door panel, it's in great condition. The kick plate looks good. Carpets are clean. Bolsters are absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws on the seats. This side of the console is good. There's really nothing to pick apart on this side. Alright, looking at that panel, looks amazing. Trim looks awesome. That's in great condition. Looking at the seats, absolutely perfect. Zero flaws there. They are heated. So you can get a better look at this. Looks really good. Alright, we're doing a quick test drive here. 7,549 miles on the odometer. Steering is a little crooked, but it doesn't shake or shimmy. It actually rides really, really nice. The steering wheel slightly crooked, but it doesn't shake or shimmy. This rides really, really nice. Brakes feel solid, no vibrations or weird shakes in the wheel. While it is slightly off center, it drives straight. Any of this flickering you see here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Going down a really bumpy road. Honestly, it drives kind of like a stock truck. It's really smooth. Really no complaints with the drivability.